Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the PassFab channel. I opened Word and found that I couldn't edit it. The following shows that you can't make this change because this selection is locked. How to solve this problem? Next, I will show you several ways. First, you need to check if the license for Microsoft Word has expired. An expired license renders Word unusable. Then you need to open File Explorer. Then open the folder based on these two paths. Eventually, just find the file. Then you need to right-click on this file and select Run as Administrator. Run it 3 times as administrator. You can then open the Word document and see if the problem is solved. If this method doesn't work, you can try the next method. Check if the file is marked as final. Select the File option. Click on Info. Then you need to click on the Protect Document option. At the bottom, you will see the Final Mark option. Click on it to cancel the final marking. If Word is set up to restrict editing, you may also experience lockups. Then you need to click on File, Info. Select the Protect Document option. Then click Restrict Editing. At the bottom, you will see the Stop Protection option. Click it. Enter the password to remove the protection. If you forget the password to unprotect, then I recommend you to try PassFab for Word. It helps you to unlock restricted editing in Word without a password. I have put the download link in the video description. If you are interested, click on the link to download and try it. After launching PassFab for Word, you need to select Remove Word Restricted Editing. Then click on the plus sign in the middle for File Import. Locate the word with restricted editing and click Open. OK, finish Word import. Now click Remove. It is fast and prompts that it has been successfully removed. Then you need to click Open Folder. Here is the Word file with the restrictions lifted. Well, this is all about how to unlock Word selection is locked. Please give me a like if you find it helpful. I will post more videos about Windows. Subscribe to my channel to see my videos faster. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.